I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wheatgrass juice at home. We'll cover everything from selecting the best wheatgrass to enjoying your fresh, vibrant drink. You'll discover the incredible health benefits and learn the straightforward process, making it easy to incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. Get ready to boost your wellness with just a few simple steps, saving money and ensuring peak freshness. First, let's prepare your wheatgrass. Whether you've grown it yourself or purchased it, ensure it's fresh and vibrant, ideally 6 to 8 inches in height. Give it a good rinse under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Then, gently pat it dry with a clean cloth. This simple preparation ensures your juice is clean and ready for extraction, setting the stage for a delicious and healthy beverage. Now for the exciting part, juicing. For the best results and maximum nutrient retention, I highly recommend using a slow masticating juicer. These juicers are designed to gently press the wheatgrass, yielding more juice and preserving enzymes. Feed small handfuls of your prepared wheatgrass into the juicer's chute slowly. Watch as the vibrant green liquid flows into your glass, ready to be enjoyed. Congratulations, you've made fresh wheatgrass juice. For the most potent benefits, drink it immediately. If you're new to wheatgrass, begin with a small serving, perhaps 1 or 2 ounces, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Any leftover juice can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, though fresh is always best. Enjoy your homemade wellness shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.